Honorable Minister, if I may deviate a bit from politics, in recent there's a case that's current. Yeah, it's 11:24.
Yes, I said we are.
Oh, we are.
Yes.
Oh well. Just quickly, a case currently ongoing. Nnamdi Kanu's case in court. There was a protest on Monday, but he was set to open his defense yesterday, and you were listed as one of his witnesses.
Compelling witness.
Alongside a number of other notable Nigerians, so former Attorney General, some governors, former governors as well, and another minister, Dave Umahi, was listed as well. I do not know if you're aware of this and why it is that you have been listed as one of the witnesses in this case.
And if you
see Nnamdi Kanu, you are asking, why did he list me? I did not go to say I want to be a witness. You are the one saying that. So if you see him asking, why did you list Wike as one of your witnesses?
Have you not seen it?
I'm coming. I don't list. See, you don't become a witness by reading newspaper. Nobody has served me any process. Nobody has subpoenaed me. So because I saw Wike's listed, therefore, I'm going to run helter skelter. No, you don't do that. If I am served, if I'm subpoenaed to come and give witness or to give evidence, I must obey the court. I must appear. But not on pages of newspaper. Nobody does that.
Excellency,
and so as to why I should
Abuja was
be listed
because of the Kanu.
He who choose me there, you should ask him the question. But if I am invited, if I'm supposed to come, go home and sleep. I will be there.
Just a moment, though. Are you a little curious as to, I don't know whether why you've been listed, and then two, this question of a political solution to this matter. Is it something you've also considered as well? I know it's not within your purview.
When you talk about curiosity, what's my business there? They know, they have the reasons, they know why. So I will not begin to, speculate. I don't.
All right.
As for political solution, I don't want to comment on that. I don't want to comment on that.
Like the governor of the city, a whole lot of Abuja residents, your own residents, were unhappy with the way the city was disrupted on Monday. Many people couldn't go to work because of all of this. As someone who's in charge of the city, sir, what do you do to relate with the security agencies and others to assure residents that their businesses, their houses will not be... How can you, make them feel more comfortable?
I don't see what was disrupted. The security agencies have to provide security to make sure that nothing happened, nothing was disrupted. So when you say everywhere was disrupted, somebody was trying to threaten the security of the place. And security agencies said, no, you cannot do that. You cannot do that. And I assured the resident that go about your businesses, nothing will happen.
Right.
Yes, within some time, yes, because of security, some people were not able to carry that. But that does not mean that the entire city was no, it's not correct.
Minister, this
is not correct.
This should not take too time because we're leaving now. Did you try to influence the choice of an INEC national chairman?
To influence
the choice candidates? Because there were insinuations
Justice Liman
that
retired.
we reached out to some members of the Council of State not to attend the last Council of State because the person that had been nominated by the President was not the person who was.
Why do you people always read Sahara reporters? So why do you say that you sit down and you even if you don't have anything to do, why do you listen to some? Is there anything Sahara reporters have? Of what is the basis? And look at the story. How could it be? How could it be?
You were supposed to be at that Council of State meeting and you were not there.
No,
and it was speculated that you were angry with the president.
Angry with who?
With Mr. President.
For
that was why you asked the Minister of State to go and.
Anyway. Let me just. Some people, no, don't just answer.
Some people can go.
No, you must go. So I'm going to just answer. The point I'm making, first of all, I told Mr. President I took permission because already there was engagement. So I told my Minister of State, you have to. It's not about person. It's office. If my Minister of State attended, I have